Hello guys, today we have the Peblto 11.8 inch dimmable ceiling light. The fixture comes in black. It's a very simple construction. It comes with the black and white wire and your ground. It will also have the plastic wire connectors, have the screws and the mounting screws as well. And it will include the PMMA slice. We're gonna go ahead and install this. Should be a very easy installation. Let's go ahead and remove the existing fixture. But before moving that light, we need to make sure that the switch of the electricity is off. The only tools that you're gonna need are some pliers, your electric screwdriver, and the included plastic wire connectors. I have connected the black wire to the red wire, the white wire to the white wire, and the copper wire to the copper wire. Next step is to screw in the dimmable light to the light box, but first we have to make sure that all the cables are well stored in the light box. The only thing left is installing the PMMA plastic onto the fixture. Before that, we're gonna go ahead and test it. It works. One of the main features of this light is that you can actually adjust the intensity onto the light by moving this switch right here. You can dim it to the light setting of your preference. You can go 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, and 5. Now we're gonna go ahead and install this PMMA plastic, and you do this by bending a little bit. There you go. Another feature of this light is that it's soft, it's even, and it doesn't flicker. Another feature of this light is that it's flush to the ceiling. It looks very, very nice, and it's very bright to the room. I definitely thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.